A very good evening to you. Thank you for keeping it Prime Edition this evening. Time to get the latest in the world of business. My name is Betty Kiptum. Now, Jua Kali Artisans looking to break into the competitive heavy machinery production space are calling for support to mass produce effectively in order to compete with established entities. The artisans say despite making quality products, they are outsmarted by mass production by established firms.
This is a mechanical brick pressing machine. It resolves a wholly pressed brick that can be used in building structures. But the makers of such machines say they are undervalued, mainly by potential customers who prefer products from established firms.
At least if the government, if those agencies could be able to come through and give us a good funding that can enable us to be able to do batch production, that would be a very good step to start with.
Artisans looking to break into the formal sector are creative and come up with quality products that are fairly priced but face the challenge of uptake of their innovations.
We have varieties from the shamba, how you get the peanut and you separate from the kernels. We have a machine that can do that. We also have a machine that can roast. And from that we have the process where you go and grind. We also have a machine for that.
The informal sector employs 15 million people in Kenya, doing jobs such as welding, plumbing, electrical and masonry, among others. But Chomba says there is still light at the end of the tunnel, especially with goodwill from value chain players and those in positions of authority.
These, let's take for example Msea, the one that has facilitated this forum. If they are able to come up with more of these forums where we get to do the exposure of what we are selling, what we are producing, then I think that one will create a good market.
Currently, the government, through agencies such as the Micro Small Enterprises Authority (MSEA), has rolled out initiatives to empower and support those in the Jua Kali sector with training and funding.